Hello everyone, and welcome to Pipiri Bell with William O'Neill India. So here is the disclaimer from our side. Registration granted by SEBI, membership of BASL and certification from NISM in no way guarantee performance of the intermediary or provide any assurance of returns to investors. Investment in securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing. So US and Asian market, US market actually it has closed on negative note from past 3 days, and yesterday also it has closed on the negative note. Nasdaq has ended lower by 0.59% or 0.25%. S&P 500 minus 0.56% down. Now European market DAX has closed on negative note by 0.84%. FTSE 100 minus 1.48%. CAC 40 minus 1.07%. Asian market Kospi has closed on positive note, 0.43%, Nikkei 0.36% up, Shanghai Composite 1.64% up. However, Hang Seng has closed on negative note by 0.16%. Now, uh, the news. US market in slower for 3 consecutive days. Indian economy to grow 7% in financial year 2024. Inflation to ease further. As RBI Governor Sachikanta Das spoken at Davos. Sun Pharma to acquire remaining outstanding share of Taro for 2,891 crore. Government to sell 3.5% stake in NHPC at 66% each share via OFS on January 18-19 in 2024. Indiabulls Housing Finance to raise funds up to 5,000 crore via issue for equity shares. Adani Group in accord with Maharashtra for 50,000 crores investment to set up 1 GW hyperscale data infrastructure. Mindtree Corp sells 15.7% stake, that is 1.91 crores equity, in Pricol at 343.60 e-shares. Nazar Technology to raise fund up to 250 crores by issuance of 28.66 lakhs equity shares at 872.15 e-shares. Intellect Design Arena to set up a unit branch office in Gift City says Tata Consumer boards approve restructuring plans of overseas subsidiaries. Now the earnings news. LTI Mindtree Q3 results. Net profit jumped 17% to rupees 1,169 crores. Revenue grows about 5%. Happiest Mind profit up by 3.5% to 59.6 crores in Q3. Attrition rate and headcounts was also down slightly, not that much. IIFL Finance Q3 result, net profit down 17.2% at 131.7 crores via 159 crores YOY, and revenue up 17.7% at 1,158.7 crores versus 984.9 crores YOY. Earnings, which is due to IndusInd Bank, Polycab, JSL, Tata Communication, Metro Brands, and IndiaMart. Now we'll move to the chart. I think option data I will also like to read. Like Nifty 50 PCI stand at 0.53 and maximum call open interest was seen at 21,800 followed by 22,000, which amounts to 2.79 lakhs followed by 2.34 lakhs. Maximum put open interest was seen at 21,000 followed by 21,500, which amounts to 1.92 lakh followed by 1.32 lakh. So now we'll move to the chart. Yeah. So as we have seen that in this week, actually, especially on Monday, the index has started with positive note, and it has also registers all-time fresh high. We can say like 22,100 around, and the very next day, that is on to Tuesday, and there has been some slight volatilization, but yesterday was very harsh, and the index has opened with a gap down opening, and it has also breached its 21 DMA. As we can see it here, and the main reason has been like HDFC Q3 result that was not so impressive, and it has actually shaken the entire market, Indian market especially, and followed by all the financial shares as well. Even the hawkish comment from the Federal Reserve's governor trigger a spike in a yield on US 10 years bond and the dollar index as well. So looking at this market situation, we can say like and this selling pressure may continues, and the immediate support is placed around 21,450 to 21,400. And if that support is breached, then the next support would be like 21,000 to 20,800. On the flip side, even the chances are dim today, but even though if there is a bounce back happens, then in the upside, like 22,100 would be the level to watch for the change in the trend. And if there is a bounce back, then people may take that opportunity to short, or they will try to sell their shares, whatever they're holding maybe. So they might take this as an opportunity to sort the shares. And this is all for the day. And I would also like to invite you all for a stock darbar in the evening at 4:30, which will be taken by the Market Smith team India. So thank you so much, guys, for your patient hearing. Have a nice day and have a happy trading session.